L'Oreal and HP have formed a significant partnership in the realm of 3D printing. This collaboration aims to revolutionize the cosmetics industry through innovative product design, manufacturing, and packaging. Key areas of focus: personalized packaging. 3D printing allows for highly customizable packaging, enabling L'Oreal to create unique products tailored to individual consumer preferences. This level of personalization can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Rapid prototyping. HP's 3D printing technology facilitates rapid prototyping, allowing L'Oreal to quickly iterate on product designs and bring new concepts to market faster. Supply chain efficiency. By leveraging 3D printing, L'Oreal can reduce its reliance on traditional manufacturing methods, potentially streamlining its supply chain and minimizing costs. Sustainable practices. 3D printing can offer opportunities for more sustainable manufacturing practices, such as reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. Success stories. Customized pucks. L'Oreal has used 3D printing to create adjustable pucks for filling, labeling, and packaging products. This has resulted in significant cost reductions and time savings. Innovative packaging designs. The partnership has enabled the creation of unique packaging designs that are not possible with traditional manufacturing methods. Future outlook. As 3D printing technology continues to advance, L'Oreal and HP are likely to explore even more ambitious projects. This could include the development of entirely new product categories or the integration of 3D printing into the company's core manufacturing processes. Got a feeling in my shoulder.